If SketchUp is showing an initialization error 4, don't worry, this is usually caused by a permissions issue, antivirus interference, a corrupt install, or a problematic plugin. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest and most effective fixes step by step so you can get SketchUp launching again as quickly as possible. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this one. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Running SketchUp as an administrator. Find the SketchUp icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the program the permissions it may need to access files and settings that were being blocked before. If SketchUp opens normally after this, then the issue was likely caused by restricted access on your computer. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software can mistakenly block SketchUp from loading certain files, which can trigger Initialization Error 4. You can temporarily disable your antivirus just long enough to test whether it is the cause. If SketchUp opens after disabling it, then you'll want to add SketchUp to your antivirus whitelist or firewall exceptions so it can run without being blocked in the future. Just remember to turn your security software back on afterward. Now, let's move on to repairing or reinstalling SketchUp. A damaged installation can also cause startup problems like this, especially if files are missing or corrupted. Go to the official SketchUp Download All page and download the latest installer for your version. Once it finishes downloading, right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. This can help repair the program properly and replace any broken files. After the repair or reinstall is complete, try launching SketchUp again and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the problem, the next area to check is your plugins folder. A single buggy extension or plugin can prevent SketchUp from starting correctly. To test this, open File Explorer and go to c:/xt/users, xt/username, xt/appdata, xt/roaming, xt/SketchUp, xt/version, xt/SketchUp, xt/plugins. From there, temporarily move the plugin files out of that folder to another location on your desktop. This disables them without deleting anything. Then open SketchUp again. If it launches normally, you've confirmed that one of the plugins is causing the issue. At that point, you can add the files back one at a time to identify the problem plugin. Another important thing to check is available disk space. SketchUp can run into errors if your C drive is low on space, especially if parts of the installation or support files are stored there. Open this PC and make sure your system drive has enough free space. If it's nearly full, delete unnecessary files, clear your recycle bin, or move large files to another drive to free up room. Even a modest amount of extra space can sometimes make a big difference. If you've gone through all of these steps and SketchUp still won't open, then the issue may be tied to a deeper system conflict or a corrupted user profile. At that point, it can help to test SketchUp with a clean plugin folder, a fresh install, and security software temporarily disabled to isolate the exact cause. In most cases though, one of the fixes in this video will resolve Initialization Error 4 and get you back into SketchUp. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides, software tips, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.